In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with Odoo for a client. We'll go from the initial setup all the way to publishing the site, using Odoo's built-in website tools. The nice thing about this process is that Odoo makes it possible to build a professional client website without needing to code most of it manually. First, sign into Odoo and create a new database for the client. This gives you a clean workspace dedicated to that project, which helps keep the website, settings, and related tools organized. While creating the database, select the apps you'll need, especially the website app, since that will be the foundation of the build. Once you're inside the client's Odoo environment, open the Apps menu and make sure the website app is installed. If it isn't already there, search for it and install it. This unlocks the website builder and all the core features you'll use throughout the setup. Next, configure the client's website settings. Go to Website, then Configuration, then Settings. Here, enter the website name, company information, logo, contact details, and social media links. This step is important because it ensures the branding and business details appear consistently across the site. It also helps create a more polished and trustworthy experience for visitors. After that, open the website editor and choose a theme. Odoo includes built-in templates you can use as a starting point. Pick the one that best fits the client's style, then customize the colors, fonts, and layout so the website matches the client's brand identity. Try to keep the design clean and easy to navigate. Now it's time to create the main website pages. Common pages usually include Home, About Us, Services, Products, Contact Us, FAQ, and Blog. To add a page, go to Website, then Site, then New Page. As you build, think about the user journey so visitors can quickly find the information they need. To design each page, use Odoo's drag and drop builder. You can add elements like hero banners, image galleries, testimonials, contact forms, pricing tables, and call to action buttons. This is one of the biggest advantages of Odoo because you can create a professional layout without coding for basic customization. If you're using forms, add a contact form block and configure where inquiries should be sent. If the client wants lead tracking, you can also connect form submissions to CRM leads, which is very useful for sales follow-up. If the client needs an online store, install the e-commerce module. Then create product categories, add products, prices, and images, and configure payment methods and shipping options. When the site content is ready, connect a custom domain by entering the client's domain name in the website settings and updating the DNS records as instructed by Odoo. Before launching, test mobile responsiveness, contact forms, navigation menus, page speed, and SEO settings. Finally, publish each page and verify the domain is working correctly.